Hi friends, I'm going to show you how you can use Xface600 or Smart AC device. So here is the device. If you want to access the menu, you just click this small button menu. So you will access the menu. If you have the admin access, then it will ask you first, show you the lock sign for admin, then scan your fingerprint so you can access the device. Now if you want to register the user, you just go to this user. Then here we have the new user, all user. First we go to new user. Then system will ask you user ID. Then we go to user ID. What is your user ID? You can enter the user ID, press OK. So system will confirm your user ID. Then after this, name is optional, up to you. You type the name, then press OK, it will push to up there. Then you can press OK. So this is how you enter the name. User role, you can access from here. User role, normal user or super admin. Admin means you can lock this device with your fingerprint or face. I'm choosing super admin, so I'm the admin in this device. For register fingerprint, I just go to fingerprint. Then it's number 6 finger highlighted. I go to number 6. 3 times I scan my same finger, so this will register one fingerprint. If I want one more fingerprint, I go here. I can choose any finger, whichever finger I want, so I will register the finger. Okay, I register the fingerprint. Now I have 2 fingerprint in the machine. If I want to register face, I just go to get here face, then I scan my face on the device.
Thank you.
So device will scan the face successfully, done. So now I have one face here. If I want to do password, then I do the password. So this is how I do the password. Now I have to take the profile photo. I go to user photo, then I can take the profile photo, or I retake. Okay, I retake the profile photo, then just go this back. Then I have complete thing. If you have access control, you can choose the access control group from here. After this, just escape, go back. If I want to see how many user inside, then just go to all user. You can see list of user. You want to edit any user, click that user. You can edit or delete. Now I go back. So I want to scan my fingerprint. I just go fingerprint.
Thank you.
I will scan my fingerprint. In case I want to scan the face, so let's go in front.
Thank you. Thank you.
Scan the face. Now same time it's saying thank you. You can change this
Thank
setting.
you.
You can change this setting. If I go back from here, okay, if I want to access the admin, I just click this small icon here, which is admin. System will show you like this. I scan my finger or enter my password or scan face, it's access the admin. Okay, we can go to setting. We go to setting, system, then attendance, duplicate punch. None means all the punch is recorded. I choose here 1 minute. So within 1 minute, how many time I scan, system will record the earlier one. Okay, so just escape. So if I now again scan, system should show me duplicate punch.
Duplicated punch. Thank you.
If I scan after 1 minute, system will say me thank you to record the second punch. So this is, if I scan any other finger which is not registered,
Please try again.
okay, so like this you can register the user on the Xface600 device.